Those who belong to EFF
ba eleng ba leloko la EFF
or who love this party,
or bao ba ratang party ena,
pray for EFF,
rapellang setlhopha sa lona,
particularly the leader, Julius.
a gore moetapele tota a rapelwe ka tsela e makatsang.
I see the devil attacking people that are working with him.
Monamodi mo bona Satan a tlhasela batho ba dirisanang le ene.
I see his leadership
O bona ketapele ya gagwe
dividing
e kgaogana,
and people turning against him.
batho ba ba kgatlhanong le ene.
I see split.
O bona kgaogano,
Some will leave
bangwe ba tle go tsamaya
because they want to remove him from position.
gonne ba batla go montsha boemong jwa
When they
gagwe.
fail to remove him,
E tle ba palelwa ke go montsha,
they will leave.
ba go
The party
tsamaya.
will split into two.
Setlhopha karolo e kgaogane ka bogare.
And this one that is remaining will move a little bit,
Ba ba nnete ba tamelenyana
then it will also split.
le bone ba kgaogane le kokong.
So let's pray for this man.
A ko re rapelle reo,
Let's pray for this
a
man.
ko re mo rapelleng.
Our responsibility as the church
Maikarebetso a rona jaaka kereke
is not to take position.
a se go nka
Or to take sides.
or go nka letlhakore.
Our position and our
Dilo tsa rona jaaka
responsibility
kereke
is to pray for politicians.
ke go rapella makoko.
So let's pray for this man.
A ko re rapelleng lekoko lena.
I've decided not to renew the membership of the EFF because I will join and participate in Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. I am not going to speak here in Winnie Madikizela Mandela House as to what is the basis of that, because that will be tantamount to campaigning already for Umkhonto Wesizwe Party. So I'm going to be actively involved in Umkhonto Wesizwe Party and shape its direction and the politics that are obtaining today in South Africa.
I stand before you to accept the decision of the Deputy President of the EFF, who has voluntarily resigned his positions and did not renew his membership. When he sent me a letter yesterday, I felt the same pain when I received the news of the passing away of my mother. Because Floyd, to me, is not just a comrade, he's a brother. And he will remain a brother even when he pursues his political career differently. We formed this organization together. And I've told him that resigning from the EFF is equal to resigning from himself, because this is his organization. The constitution of the EFF does not allow people to resign and join other political parties and come back to the party. But I've made this offer to Floyd, that the day you decide to come back, you are more than welcome, because you are not a member, you are a founder of this political party. So you are not our enemy, will never be your enemies. Will continue to engage on different political and personal issues. Floyd is not the only one. Jimmy Manyi has also resigned to go and join MK. And there will be many others who are going to leave the EFF because they've got their loyalty and support to the Deputy President.